any information regarding the competent National Judicial Authority that he signed on to. Pwede bang mangyari yon, Attorney Delgra?
I joined the observation of Senator Bato that the Ambassador Canelo is lying. Kasi all he needs to know is whether the former president was brought out of Villamor and brought to a local court. We don't have to skirt and hide behind a DOJ certification to attest to the fact as to whether he was brought to a local court or not. He was there all throughout, as he has in fact admitted. So all he has to do is hindi po inilabas yung former president to be brought to a local court. I think that would have been sufficient for him to say. But he keeps on saying that he does not know.
Kasi ang tamang sagot, no. Hindi po ba? Ang tamang sagot, no. At alam niyang no. Kailanman hindi dinala sa husgado. Tama po ba?
I agree with that, Madam Chair, that the proper answer to this question would have been no.
Thank you, Attorney Delgra. Ambassador Lacanilao?
Yes, ma'am. Still, ma'am, yung nasabi ko po.
You still didn't know, in spite of overseeing the entire operation for both the Interpol and the entire government of the Philippine Republic. Tama?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Hindi mo pa rin alam.
Madam Chair, last chance mo, Ambassador Lacanilao, giving you the chance to say the truth.
Opo.
Hindi mo alam?
Ako ng totoo. Opo.
Hindi mo alam na hindi siya dinala?
Opo.
Ikaw
Nasaan ka
nag-oversee
sa
doon?
airport? Saan ka doon sa airport? Nandun ka sa picture?
Dun ho sa tube.
Oh.
Tapos
So sa tube
lounge.
ka pa?
Sa tube.
Sumalubong ka doon sa aeroplano, sa tube. Hanggang dinala siya sa Villamor, kasama ka.
Sa 250?
Oh,
Sa 250, umalis ho ako eh.
saan ka pumunta?
Dun ho sa likod. Kasi meron hong waiting area dun sa
Sa likod
likod.
lang.
Sa likod lang, pero-
umalis.
So hindi na ho ako nag-intervene after nun eh.
Hindi mo alam na hindi siya dinala.
Hindi po.